Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be turning this $51 to $1,000 plus. So this is my first entry from VIX 100 Onycs. You know I love scalping, so I've made my profit. I'll close, look for another entry, and I mistakenly placed a buy trade here. My fingers immediately placed a buy, so I had to close it because there's no way the market is going to buy it. It's going to say, if you can see, this like a flag that has broken to the downside. And if you look carefully, if you draw your trend line, you would know that the price is still going to continue selling for a while. Price is not going to buy now, it's going to continue selling. So this is my TP, that's the first TP, and I would open another sale again. You see, you have to draw your trend line accurately so as to know where the market is coming from and where the market is going to. If you draw your trend line wrongly, you have a very wrong view of the market. So the tip is about somewhere $21, or so we call this I think it's a flag now. You should call the flag bullish flag, go bearish. Yeah, bullish flags go bearish. So this zone is what we call a drop base drop. So that's a sell zone, a very powerful sell zone, and you can notice very well it's still fresh. So because the zone is fresh, it's going to sell. So after a while, price has gotten to our first TP, and it's just $52. So I'll clear my profits because there's a possibility of price buying here. This is called the drop base rally. That's a powerful buy zone. I'll look for another opportunity. I found another one at VIX 2025 1s, and the market has been on a very beautiful structure. If you look very well, price has gotten to the top sell zone. That's called the rally base drop, and so that's why I placed my trade there. And if I draw my trend line, I have something like a rising wedge. Remember, when you're doing your trend line, make sure it has 2 or more touches touching the wicks. Don't draw your candle cutting across. Don't draw your trend line cutting the candles. Make sure they are very accurate, touching only the wicks. So after drawing my trend line, you see, very perfect. But you see, if you start initially drawing trend lines, they will not be all perfect, but over time, by the time you begin to draw a trend line and you begin to spend time with the market, you'll begin to see the market even at a more clearer view. So after drawing my trend line, I place my sell, knowing that the price would fall going all the way down. If you get to that buy zone, and that is called a rally base rally. So that will be my TP zone. And that's the TP zone. So you see, after the price has run for a while upward, after running the rising wedge, it gets to the top sell zone. That's called the rally base drop. It will drop down just like here. So you see, after a while, 32. So from 50 we are at 145 now. This is another entry from VIX 251s. This is what we call more like a pennant. And if you look carefully, the market has been on a downtrend, so the price, it will not be buying for too long. It will not be buying for too long on the 1 hour time frame. It's going to break to the downside some time later, but for now I want to take advantage of what we have now. So I'm going to close my trade there, because knowing that the price, it will definitely sell because of the strong bearish structure of the market. So I'll close my trade and I'll look for another entry. Well, I took this entry from the step index. So let me claim my profit first, then I would explain the reason behind the entry. I did not record the video of the entry, so just the take profit part. that I have with me here. So I'll give the explanation why I placed a sell there. If you look at the market very carefully, first of all, it has a bearish structure. The price has been selling. The overall structure of the market has been going down. And if I draw my trend line, you have something like a bullish flag here. I love trading the flags. They are so accurate and so nice for trading. Now, so if you look carefully, it's like a flag or like a channel. And if you look just by the left, you can see that we have a very strong resistance zone, very strong resistance zone. And you will see how prices have been reacting to this zone for some time. And this shadow zone is called a drop base drop. The one I'm about to draw now is called a drop base drop. That's a powerful sell zone. So after consolidating for a while, the price came down to the nearest take profit zone. So this is a buy zone, a drop base rally. And this is my entry again. I took another entry from VIX 75 index. We are making progress from 50. We are at $348. Now, what's going to happen is that the price is going to push downwards, because if you can see very clearly, we have a rally base rally. This is a very strong, powerful buy zone. So the price will come down. After price get to this buy zone, it's going to push upward. And so you see, after a while it came push upward. When it came down, I added more position to it. So I'll close my profits. We are at 50. From 50 we are at 552. And this pattern is called a pennant. And you look carefully very well. Just as I said, when the price came back again to that demand zone, when the price came to the demand zone, I added more position. And after when I came back to check the chart, I saw that the price was still pumping upward, like the bullish went, it was still strong. Okay, now another entry again from VIX 25 1S. This time I'm on a sell trade. We have a very beautiful bullish flag here that will go bearish. Now, this is the first TP. Sorry, this is the second TP. And sometimes it does work. And if you look carefully, knowing that at the end of the day, after the consolidation, the price is going to break to the downside. So instead of just trading the up and down or whatever, just place your sell. And knowing that the price is going to break downward at the end of the day. That's it. And if you look carefully as well, price has gotten to the first TP. And how do you measure your first TP? You measure the width of the flag. You measure the width of the flag. Now, so this is the first TP. Price are finally going to the first TP. And for the second TP, price is yet to get there. Sometimes it may reverse, and other time the price may get there. But for the first TP, it's very sure. Price usually gets to the first TP. And I'm still making progress. Profit of $329. And please guys, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and turn on your notification bell. I'm going to close my trade now. I've seen a reversal pattern. The price would reverse here. If you look at it, we have what we call a double bottom. The price would reverse. So knowing that the price might suddenly reverse and get all perhaps close to my entry zone, I have to get out of that trade. And I found another entry here from VIX 10 index, and the market is in a very powerful bearish structure. And then the reason why I'm placing my sell here is, if you look very well, this place is what we call a rally base rally. That's a very powerful demand zone. At the top we have two bearish candle engulfing one green candle. So that's called a bearish engulfing. If I go to the 5 minutes time frame, I have a hidden demand there. It's called hidden supply and demand. Because why is it called hidden and supply and demand there? If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you are not seeing anything. Even the 30 minutes time frame, even the 15 minutes time frame, you don't see anything clearly until you go to the 5 minutes time before you see an hidden supply and demand. And sometimes those demand zone they work. So after a while, I came back, started placing my search trade here. I saw that the price I was finally going to our TP, this hidden demand, and I've gotten to my targets.